All right. Get excited because here in this lesson, here's where everything starts making sense. Here's where we connect all the dots. Here's where the boom or the aha moment happens. Here's essentially where you get to automate everything, your entire business, and have this funnel, have this system, duplicatable system work for you even when you're sleeping, even when you're on vacation, even when you are in the Bahamas with your beautiful family, drinking margaritas. Whatever the case is, this is going to be making money for you 24/7. Okay, not only that, but also you can show this to your upline, to your downline. You can duplicate this system, you can give it to your team, because this is not just for you. Let's not be selfish, right? Let's show this to people. The more successful people become, the more successful you become. So here's the duplicatable system that everybody in your team can duplicate, and we're going to show you how to do that. So get excited. Let's go ahead and get to it. So in the last video, we showed you how to create a growth tool, right? A Facebook comment growth tool. We selected the settings, we selected the post, we checked the little box, we left everything else blank. We went to the auto response and we created our message, our auto response as soon as people comment, let's say free, right, on this ad. This is going to be a video, right? Remember, okay? Then they're going to get a message automatically saying, hey, Coach Miguel, right? Thank you so much for requesting this free Facebook ads training. I'm going to be sending this to you. I'm going to be sending whatever, right? You can change it up. You don't have to write what we are writing right now. I'm going to be sending this to you ASAP. If you don't mind me asking, do you reside here in the United States? The reason why we ask a question is because we need those people to reply to this right here. If you want to say something else, just make sure the people reply to this auto response. Okay, so then what do? We left it here in the opt-in actions, and then what we're going to do here is we're going to connect. We're going to request the following conversation. We're going to request a phone number from people, and then we're going to connect it with, we're going to transfer it, right, to our Pocket Funnel account, so that our Pocket Funnel account can start sending them text messages on automation. Okay, and we're going to show you how to do that as well. So what I want you to do is just follow my lead. It's going to be a little bit overwhelming. There's a lot of things to click. You don't need to know exactly why we're doing what we're doing. Honestly, I don't even know why we're clicking. Like, I don't understand the reason behind the clicking. I only understand that it works. So just follow my lead. Okay, so here's what I want to do. Before I continue, I want to go to settings. Okay, so click on settings right there. And then you want to go to, let's see, where is it? Custom fields. Okay, custom fields. What we need to do first, before we continue with our growth tool, we need to create some user fields. Now, I have my user fields already created, but I'm going to show you how to create these user fields. It's very simple. What I want you to do is I want you to go to the top right corner where it says new user field. Okay, so click right there. And then all you have to type right here is just email, okay? Well, not like that, actually. There you go, email, boom. That's it, email. Here, you're gonna leave the type as text, and here you're not gonna write anything. Don't worry about it, okay? And then just tap right here, click on create. I'm not gonna do that because I have mine already, okay? So once you do that, you're gonna have this right here. It's gonna say email, type text. Now we're gonna do the same thing for phone, okay? Once again, I don't even know how this works. I just know that it works, so just do it. Okay, don't ask why or whatever. I don't know, it doesn't matter. It just matters that it works, and these are the steps that we have to do. Once again, new user field, name is going to be phone, type is going to be text, and then you go ahead and hit create, and there you should have your phone right there, okay? And then the last one is going to be test user targeted. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to type test user targeted, right? Doesn't matter lowercase or uppercase, just copy the same thing that I'm doing, please. Right? Just copy it, okay? Now in type, it's not going to be text anymore. Now it's going to be true, false. Okay, true / false. So please go ahead and select that one. Go ahead and hit create, and you are done creating your user fields. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Why do you have to do that? I have no idea. I just know that you have to do it. All right, so go back to your growth tools, and then go back to your growth tool that you just created, the FB ad, okay, or whatever you named it. Let's go back to the opt-in actions. Now I can click here and edit, Okay, and here's where the magic happens. Okay, so here's where I'm gonna go ahead and X this out. Okay, let me go ahead and delete this. Here's where we can I can add text, right, to whoever replies to the question. Remember that I asked, do you reside here in the United States? And they're gonna say yes, and then this is what's gonna follow, this opt-in message. Okay, so if they say yes, then I want to say something like excellent, right? Excellent first name, right? Excellent first name, you know. So you want to make sure that, of course, it makes sense. Like it goes with the flow. It goes with the conversation. You continue. You pick up the conversation that you were having with those people. Okay. Now you can also add images. You can add audio, which, by the way, audio is huge. We're going to show you. I don't know if in this training, maybe once you become a Pocket Funnel user, we're going to show you how you can leverage audio. This is huge. This is revolutionizing pretty much everything. This is what makes it personal. But you can also upload audios, you can upload videos, you can attach files like PDFs, JPEGs, whatever the case is, right? Now, for the purposes of this presentation, of this training, I'm going to go ahead and delete this, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to select this one right here that says User Input. I'm going to click that one, okay? Don't worry, you're going to see why, just follow my lead. Now, you do need to be a pro user, so you will have to have your pro account by now. Please go ahead and just do it, upgrade it. Treat your business as a business. Invest in yourself. Do it. Now, here's what we want to do here. We're going to follow the answer that they said. Yes, I do reside, or I am here in the United States, and we're going to say excellent, right? So remember, we're not putting a text, we're selecting a user input instead, and here's why. We're going to say excellent, excellent first name, right? Excellent first name, maybe an emoji. Let's see. There you go. Excellent first name. Tap, follow this right here. Tap on your number below, and I will personally text you the link to the training right away. Boom. Now, why are we saying tap on your number below? Because here's what this user input thing is going to do. Okay, this little thing, it's a money-making machine. When people see, and I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to run through the whole process with you right now, so you can see it. When people get this message, excellent, Coach Miguel, thank you. Tap on your number below, and I will personally text you the training link, right? The training link right away. Okay. What I'm going to see is I will see my cell phone number right here. All I have to do is tap on it, because I'm going to be looking at this from my cell phone. And even if I see it on my desktop, I can just click on it. Okay. But most people, over 98% of these people, are going to be looking at it from their phone. So that's why you want to say tap. Tap on your number below, tap on your cell number. Okay. Now, how is Facebook going to pull out this information? Or ManyChat, right? Well, ManyChat is connected with Facebook, and Facebook has your cell phone number. Why? Well, because when you created an account, you needed two things. You needed an email. Well, you needed three things. You needed a name, you needed an email, right? And then you need a phone number. So your cell phone should be, right, attached to your Facebook account. And if it's not, if you don't have it attached, don't worry about it. Most people have their cell phones attached to their connected to their to their Facebook pages, right? So, and all people have to do is tap on it, and then as soon as that happens, we're going to show you how you can automate that, so that as soon as they tap, right, they will it'll be transferred here to your Pocket Funnel account, and they will get an automated text message with a link that you promised them. All of that on automation. Okay, so. So now, how are we going to do that? Well, you click right here in free keyword input. Here in reply type, I want you to select phone. And from here, I want you to go to save response to a custom field. I want you to click right there, and I want you to select phone. That's the custom field the user field that we created, okay? You're going to do that. And that's it. That's it, okay? Now, what else? If you want to, some people, what they like to do is they also like to say, okay, well, you know, I also want to get their email address. Well, let's go ahead and do another user input, right? So, excellent first name, tap on your cell number below, and I will personally text you the link to the training to the training. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. I will personally text you the training link, right? I will personally text you the training link right away, okay? And then here they tap on their number, and then you say, got it, right? Got it, first name. Got it, first name, right? Boom. If check your phone right now, as I've sent you the training link. In the meantime, would you like me to email you, or no, in the meantime, tap on your number below, right? Tap on your, not number now, email, right? Tap on your email below, and so I can show you, right? So, oops, what happened? Tap on your email below, so I can send you a few more valuable tips on how you can blah, 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 okay? So, and what they're gonna do the same thing. They're gonna tap on this thing, and all you have to do on their email, right? Their email will show, all they have to do is tap on it, okay? And what's gonna happen is you're gonna click right here, and you're gonna click where it says email, okay? Instead of phone, now you're gonna click on email. Once you do that, okay, I want you to save response to a custom field, and now it's gonna say email, okay? And then that's it. So here is where they tapped on their phone number, phone, and here's where they tapped on email, okay? And now at the end, once they tap on their email, maybe you just want to send not a user input anymore, but now just a friendly text saying, excellent, right? Excellent first name. Excellent first name, right? It's all good to go. Be sure to check the training as you will lose access, or as you will only have access for 5 days. And here's where you want to build a little bit more value, okay? So here you want to say value, okay? So put a little bit of pressure, give them a little bit of pressure, let them know that they're not going to have that training forever, that they need to access it now, okay? So that's essentially how you do this. Now, how are we going to connect this? Because they just submitted their phone number and they just submitted their email. How are we going to connect it to Pocket Funnel? Well, that's what I'm going to show you right now, okay? Follow my lead on this right here. You don't need to know how it works or why it works. You just need to know that it works, period. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna scroll all the way down. Under these boxes right here, there's gonna be a little box that says continue to another step. I want you to click right there, okay? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to choose next step, okay? I want you to choose next step, and we're gonna select perform actions. Once we select perform actions, I'm going to click right here where it says actions, and it's going to take me to another page, right? That's going to say actions right here. What I'm going to click now is I'm going to click on action, okay? And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to scroll all the way down. Just follow my lead step by step, okay? All the way down to set custom field. So I'm going to select set custom fields. Then I'm going to go back to please select custom field and value. So I'm going to click right there. I'm going to click here in custom field, and I'm going to select the test user targeted user field that I created before at first. Okay, I'm going to select that, and the value I'm going to select yes. Okay, and I'm going to click away right here. Okay, so set custom field, set test user targeted to yes. If that didn't make sense, or if you got lost, pause this, go back, and replay it again. Next is select action again. Okay, we're going to go all the way down as well, and now this time we're going to select external request. Okay, external request. So I'm going to select that right there, and I'm going to click right here and add your request. Okay, now here it's going to ask me to request a URL. What we're doing right now, by the way, is we're connecting ManyChat with Pocket Funnel. Okay, so we need to request a URL. Okay, so where is that URL? I'm going to show you where it is. You go to your Pocket Funnel account. you go all the way down to where it says, wait, not all the way down, actually, here where it says links and landing pages. Links and landing pages, okay? When you are here in links and landing pages, you want to go all the way down to where it says Pocket Funnel ManyChat. This is my ManyChat link. You have your own ManyChat link, okay? I want you to go ahead and copy to clipboard, okay? That's it. You just have to click right here and copy to clipboard, okay? And I want you to go back to ManyChat and you're going to paste it right there, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and paste it right there. Boom. That's it, okay? What I'm going to do next is I'm going to select body, okay? And I'm going to click right here and add full subscriber data, okay? Once I do that, I'm going to click right here in full subscriber data. Boom, okay? And I'm going to click here in the white space, okay? And that's it. And I hit save. And that's it. I hit publish and I am done. Now, would you like to see how this works? Would you like to see this in action, right? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go, I'm going to leave a comment here in this post, okay? And then the bot is going to start interacting with me. And once I give this bot my phone number, once I tap on my phone number, then that number is going to go directly, and what we're going to do is we're going to see it here where it says leads. Do you see that leads? Do you see this right here? There are no leads right now. In 1 second, you're going to see that lead show up here, okay, as I start interacting with it and I give that lead my name, email, well, not my name because it already has my name, right, but I'm going to give it my email and phone number, okay? So that's how it's going to work, and then we're going to show you how you can automate this so that you send that lead as soon as it comes in. Your Pocket Funnel account is going to send it an automated text so that it's, you know, it's working for you 24/7. All right, that's the magic. That's where the magic happens. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to go back to this right here. Make sure that it's published. Make sure that I go here to the Facebook ad. Let me see. It's all working good. It's good. Auto response is good. Opt-in action. Send to everyone to replies. And I go to edit. Good, this is good. Phone. Here is email. Made my connections. I got my perform actions. It's looking great. It's published. I go to growth tools. Oh wait, this is draft. Why is it draft? Oh, see, I have to activate it. See, I was going to go through it and it wasn't even active. I have to activate it. Okay, so make sure that it's active. Okay, make sure that you go to growth tools. That's why it's always good to double check. Always good to double check. So boom, it's active. It's going great. Now here's where the magic happens. Are you ready? I'm gonna go ahead and there you go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and comment, right? This is your video. This is the video that we already helped you create. This should be a video. You should already know what kind of text what kind of copy you want to put here, what kind of video. It needs to be horizontal, less than a minute. You need to make a bold statement. You need to tap into people's connections. It's gonna be your video, and you're gonna tell people, comment something short, right? Remember, short, so maybe free. So people are going to come here, they're going to click here and comment, and they're going to, right? They're going to tap free, and let's see what happens, okay? Free right there. So what happens, okay? What happens once somebody says free? Yes, I want this. Look at this. Hey, Miguel, thank you so much for requesting this free Facebook ads training. I'm going to be sending this to you in a sec. If you don't mind me asking, do you reside here in the US? And I'm going to say, hell yes. Right? Hell yes, right? And guess what's going to happen? Yes. Excellent, Miguel. Tap on your cell number below, and I will personally text you the training link right away. Let's check this out. I'm going to tap on my number below, right? And now it's going to tell me, got it, Miguel. Check your phone right now as I've sent you the training link. In the meantime, tap on your email below so I can send you a few more valuable tips on how you can blah, 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 value. I'm going to tap on my email. And I'm going to get another message that says, excellent, Miguel, it's all good to go. Be sure to check the training as you will only have, this doesn't make any sense, but just you know, I'm not telling you what to write. I'm telling you how to do it, okay? So as you will only have access for 5 days, value, okay? Now, let's see if this happened. I'm going to go to my Pocket Funnel, right, account, and I'm going to hit refresh. Look at this. My name, my email. This email, I never use this email, so if you send me an email, I'm never gonna respond, just FYI. And this is not my cell phone number, so if you call me or text me, I'm never gonna answer. It's actually a dead line that I usually have on a phone that I never use, so don't even worry about it. But this is it, right? This is it. This is how you make it happen. Now, what's next, of course, is now you want to automate this process so that these people, I need to get an automated text right away. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to show you how to do that. You know what? We're going to show you how to do that once you are inside Pocket Funnel. You need to upgrade to Pocket Funnel. You have a free Pocket Funnel account right now, but for less than $1 a day, you can have this automated system. You can have not only this awesome software where you're going to have your own cell phone number, you're going to be texting people on automation. We're going to show you how you can also set up autoresponders so that you send them an automated text, but also the next day they get another one, and then another one, and then another one, and another one. You can pretty much automate this whole thing. You can also send text blasts to your leads. Let's say that you have 100 leads, and you can send them a link to your sales page, or to your, so people can sign up. You can send them blogs, you can send them pictures, you can connect with them, right? This is the beauty of Pocket Funnel. We're going to show you how to do that. All you have to do is click somewhere under this video so you can upgrade to a paid Pocket Funnel user. It's going to be the best investment. If you think that this is the best investment, don't even. This is nothing compared to Pocket Funnel. This is where the magic happens. This is the duplicatable system, right? You connect this with ManyChat, you connect this with your Facebook, right? You do what we tell you to do, and then you're gonna be making money, my friend. So this is how it works. So go ahead and click the button below. Go ahead and upgrade right now before it's too late. We want to have you in your team. We're also going to be training you. I am personally going to be training you every single Wednesday. Okay, and if you ever have any questions about anything, you want me to look at your videos, you want me to look at your funnels, you want me to look at whatever it is that you're doing right now, I will be happy to take a look at it and give you some guidance on how you can take your business to the next level, how you can bring more people to your business, how you can have a bigger downline, how you can build a team of lions, right? A team of lions that are going to succeed in this business. Be the 3%. I hope that you're tired of being the 97%. It's time to be the 3%, and this is what you need to be that 3%. This is what everyone is doing, right? And those people that are in the 3% group. Okay, so go ahead and upgrade. Click the button below, and we're going to show you what's next in the next video. Always a pleasure to serve you, and I'll talk to you soon. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, peace.